Clouding has offered a number of features that made it a global technology in a short span of time with a large number of consumers. Some of the major benefits that cloud computing provides includes speed. Vast amount of computing resources can be provisioned in minutes as most of the task is automated, which facilitates both the user and cloud vendor. Cost. Cloud resources eliminates the need for the user to purchase, install, maintain, and update the hardware and software. Scalability. Cloud resources can be easily scaled up and down. Scaling up refers to adding up of extra resources to the existing set of resources, whereas scale down refers to remove the resources from the same set. This process can also be automated and let done by the system itself. Availability. Cloud resources are available and ready to use anytime, anywhere. There is no need to worry about applying timely patches and updating the systems. Cloud provider is responsible for the task. The processing over the cloud computing is very fast as compared to local machine and is not restricted to the resources. Next is mobility, which allows user to access the cloud-based resources from anywhere in the world just having connected to internet. It also supports a vast variety of devices. Security is another characteristic feature of cloud, which provide protection of data from the attackers and various other disasters, by keeping backup of data, encrypting it over rest and transit, and employs various other ways. We will see about security a lot more in upcoming modules.